Hello, class 3 student. Good morning. So, this is your English class, and I am your English teacher, Chandna Madam. So, children, first of all, you have to open page number 38, that is 3838, and there you will find this page. Okay, so today we are going to read a story, and the story is about a little fish. Okay, and the title of the story is a little fish story. Okay, now let me read the poem and explain you. There was a great many millions fish in the sea, but this story is about just one of them, and a very small one at that. So this is about the fishes live in the sea and water. Okay, so this story began from a sea, and in that sea you can see millions of fishes are the houses of millions fish. Okay, and some fish are very huge, some fish are medium in size, and some fish are small in size. And this is the story about a small fish who this fish. Okay, and what happened then, now this little fish had everything in the sea to make him contented, but he was not happy. This little fish in the sea, there is everything available for her. Okay, everything which could make him it happy. Okay, but he was not happy. Why he was not happy? The writer is saying that you will laugh when I tell you why he was not happy. The writer is saying that you will laugh when you hear that why he is not happy. He is not happy. He was unhappy because he was so very small. He was unhappy because of his size. Okay, because many big huge fishes are swimming, living in the sea, but this fish, he is small in size. Okay, so he was unhappy due to his small size. And then what happened? It is very hard to be such a little mighty of a fish, he would say over and over again and again. So he was always saying that, complaining about his small size. Okay, whenever somebody come across to him, he's saying that I am not happy due to my small size. If I were only larger, how much happier I would be. Then he used to say that if God had made me larger size, I would be very happier fish then. And he said it so many times that I think he believed it. So he was thinking that if God had made him a bigger fish, then he would be very happier. But due to his small size, he is always unhappy. Now, then what happened? One day he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. When suddenly, with no warning, they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. Then one day what happened, when he was swimming with the rest of his school means, here school means not school means the group of fish is known as school. Okay, the group of fish is not like the group of child is called children, the group of fish is called school. So one day what happened, when he was swimming along with his family and member group, then what happened, suddenly without no warning, they were caught in a net. Okay, see this one. There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and just as it howl was being, then what happens? See this one, in the net there are many big fishes, okay, and the net is very big one, okay, and then when the fishermen start pulling the net, the fishes try to get out of from the net, but they are unable to free themselves from the net. Then what happened? Then what happened? There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and just as it howl was began, emptied into the boat, the smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mess and slipped back into the cool, clean water. How good it felt! Then what happened? See, due to this net is net, this is the net, and big fish cannot free themselves, but small fish from the net hole, they again slip back into the cool water. Then he swam. Then this fish, this unhappy fish also, he also slipped from the net hole and fall into the cool water, okay. Then that time what he was thinking, he swam here and there and everywhere, and some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life said that they never again heard him says that he wished to be anything but a little fish. So this one, see, this small fish, then when he fall into the water from the net hole, then he starts swimming here and there, and that time he got the lesson. This small fish got the lesson. Due to his small size, he could escape from the net hole, okay, escape from the net hole, and he fall into the sea water again, and now he is alive. But the other rest fish, they are not alive, they die due to the big size, okay. So this little fish, now he got the lesson, and in the rest of his life he never said or complained that he is not happy due to his small size, because he come to know that due to his small size he could escape from the net hole, and now he is alive, okay. So see, now I am going to explain this lesson in Hindi, okay. So children, this is about, ये किसके बारे में है? एक छोटा सा मछली के बारे में है. तो बहुत सारे मछलियाँ, आप समुद्र में लाखों करोड़ों मछलियाँ रहती है, और वहाँ पर बड़े साइज़ का, छोटे साइज़ का मछलियाँ रहती है. लेकिन ये कहानी किसकी है? एक छोटी सी मछली की बात है, और ये मछली बहुत उदास रहती थी, बहुत नाखुश थी. ये बहुत नाखुश थी. क्यों नाखुश थी? आप लोग सुनोगे तो हंसोगे, क्योंकि वो अपने छोटे साइज़ के लिए नाखुश थी. समुद्र में उसको खाने के लिए, घूमने के लिए, हर चीज़ के लिए उसका सुविधा था, लेकिन फिर भी वो क्या थी? उदास थी. क्यों थी? क्योंकि वो अपने साइज से खुश नहीं थी. वो सोचती थी मैं कितनी छोटी हूँ, ओके. तो वो दूसरे बड़े बड़े मछलियों को देखते तो बोलते काश मैं भी बड़ी होती, ओके. तो एक दिन क्या हुआ, जब वो लोग तैर रहे थे, वो अपने ग्रुप के साथ में, अपने जैसे मछलियों के साथ में, अपने स्कूल के साथ में, स्कूल मीन्स यहाँ पर स्कूल विद्यालय नहीं है, यहाँ पर ग्रुप ऑफ फिश, जो मछलियों के झुंड को स्कूल बोलते हैं. तो स्कूल के साथ में जब तैर रहे थे तो अचानक कहीं से एक जाल उनके ऊपर में फेंका गया, और जाल ऊपर खींचने लगे. मछुआरे ने जाल ऊपर खींचा तो बड़े बड़े मछली ने क्या किया? ट्राई किया वहाँ से छूटने के लिए, जाल को तोड़ने के लिए, लेकिन वह सफल नहीं हुए, क्योंकि जाल बहुत मजबूत था. लेकिन ये जो छोटी मछली है वो जाल के होल से अपने छोटे साइज के कारण से, अपने छोटे आकार के कारण से वो स्लिप करके पानी में गिर गई और पानी में गिर के इधर उधर तैरने लगे। और तब उसने ये सबक सीखा कि उसके छोटे साइज के कारण से ही वो उसकी जान आज बची है। और बड़े मछलियाँ जो जिसकी जान जो बड़े साइज के थे वो अपने बड़े साइज के कारण से जाल के जो होल से है वो निकल नहीं पाए। ठीक है ना बच्चों। तो इसके बाद ज़िंदगी में उसने कभी भी ये शिकायत नहीं की कि मेरा साइज छोटा है, मैं छोटे के कारण मैं नाखुश हूँ। तो उसको अभी पता चल गया कि उसके छोटे के कारण, छोटे साइज होने के कारण से वो जिंदा है। ओके। तो तब वो छोटी मछली फिर खुश रहने लगी। ओके। सो चिल्ड्रेन, here we have come to the end of this story, and now let us discuss the solutions, exercises and questions given in this chapter. Okay, the new word you are going to get in this chapter are millions, floundering, masses, howl, contented, splashing, tight, wriggles, warning. These are the words which new words which you have got in this chapter. Okay. Now children, I am going to give the question answer of this chapter on tomorrow. Okay.